Hello, it's Peter Kettle here. This is video number 5 of the current little playlist I'm doing. Now, yesterday I showed you one way to download your workbook. Today I'm going to show you another way using file download. Both methods work, so we use whichever we find easiest. So here we are. We go across to file, click on file, and if you scroll to the bottom, you've seen download. Click on download and you get exactly the same toolbar as you had yesterday. Make sure it's on PDF standard, pages 1 to 15, click download. It will appear at the bottom. When it starts downloading, the bar will go across. Once it's gone all the way across, it's downloaded. Okay. Also keep an eye on, there it is. So we click on that and it should open it. There we are. 15 pages. Discipline over motivation. So we've got the whole workbook downloaded. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to print it off. Now, the way I do the printing is 15 pages, but I don't print 15 pages. What I do is I go into the print preview. Hopefully it won't take too long to load up. There we are. Now it's got 15 sheets, pages all. But what I do is I go down to custom. And I print from page 9 to 15 only. Now you may be thinking, why only do 9 to 15 when you've got 15 pages there? Why don't you just do all 15 in one go? Well, the reason is because if you have a technical issue with the printer halfway through the print and you're printing off 15 pages, it takes longer to find the issue or the page that may have been missed out than what it does if you're only doing half a dozen. So if something goes wrong now and the printer loses its train of thought and skips a page, you can look through 6-7 pages instead of having to go through all 15 to discover which one is actually missed out. So whether you're printing a workbook, building a business or working on a project, breaking a task into smaller sections make problems easier to solve. A few extra seconds at the start can save you 10 or 15 minutes later. I've had issues with printing off 50 pages before and it's lost signal, and then I'm trying to figure out how to work out what page has been missed. This way you're only printing 7, so it's a lot easier to find. Now I'm going to cancel that just now, but I'm going to save this. So this save the book, you just click on the download and it will open your page over here. Discipline over motivation, version 2.0. I type in PDF so I know what one it is, and I also do the date. The reason I do the date, it keeps it in chronological order and I'm able to find it. Now the file I'm going to save it in is on the desktop. So go on the desktop, drag it down. There we are, workbook PDFs. Double click on that, save, and that's the file saved in the file. So when I come to do it on LinkedIn later on, I know exactly where it is. Okay. Hope that helps someone. Thanks very much for your time. I'll be doing video number 6 very shortly.